I'm waiting for my son to come to show us what his pen looked like. He wanted to process his own stuff today. So I bet if he's got any gold, the looks on his face gonna be priceless. So I'm just waiting. I wanna catch it. That's him. So how does it look like? Is it? What? Wow.
That's what I did by myself. Couple buckets.
Well, let me see.
What I did by myself, cleaned up the first pre-pan it, panned it.
This is okay. Hold it. Those are beautiful. You have pieces. Wow, those are pickers.
I got more bigger pieces than you did.
Well, wow. That's a wonderful pen, baby. I'm proud of you. You worked hard today, whole day.
And remember, today was the first time I ever got gold fever. Can't wait till tomorrow.
So you got the gold fever?
Oh yeah.
Well,
you could tell today because we stopped working after a while, and I really wanted to get some gold. And there was a pump that I couldn't crank. It kept on hurting my arm if I just did it. And then it was like 10, 20 minutes until it was time for us to dig. So I just went, yeah, and then it just went, yeah, and the pump went straight on.
So you happy? That's
And
beautiful pen. I'm proud of you.
I didn't stop working even when I was eating. I just took an apple.
Yeah, you moved some material today. Good. I'm proud of you. Proud of you. Now let's go to the cabin. Let's relax for the rest of the day. You earn it. Alright? Yeah, nice. Beautiful pen. That's a beautiful pen.
Now I know how you felt when you got your first glimpse on gold fever.
Yeah.
I can't wait till tomorrow.
Alright?